This week I'm at the Marquee Show in beautiful Chicago, checking out all the great gear from QSC here. This is the QSC KS212C Power Cardioid subwoofer. That's a mouthful, but it is an incredible sub. I've got Nick here. He's a representative, and Nick is going to talk to us a little bit about this from QSC. Nick, take it away.
Thank you very much. Just like you said, this is the new QSC KS212C Cardioid sub, and what's unique about it is it's cardioid. It keeps the bass going forward where you want the bass to go. So you want your audience to get the bass, it's covering your audience. It's going there. What's great about it is the puller pattern keeps the bass going this direction as opposed to going behind it. It features a it's a single 3600 watt power amp in the back side of this. 2 inputs, 2 outputs, allowing you to daisy chain from box to box, made of a solid wood cabinet, birch cabinet, and is available now shipping from QSC. Please visit QSC.com.